Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into Shopify Markets, a feature that makes it easy to sell in different regions and reach customers worldwide. This year, Shopify Markets got some updates, making it simpler to manage regions, currencies, and product catalogs, while creating localized shopping experiences and handling logistics, all from your Shopify admin. Before we jump in, a quick note. Our team just launched a Shopify development workload package, and YouTube followers can save up to $1,000 using the code in the first comment below. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your Shopify admin. Under Settings, click Markets. This is where you can manage your existing markets and create new ones. To add a new market, click Create Market. You'll then select the regions you want to target. For example, let's say you're creating one for North America. Add the supported countries, the US and Canada. As soon as you select the countries, the currency is automatically populated. Since these two countries use different currencies, Shopify displays use local currency here. But you can change it if you prefer not to show prices in local currency. Everything below can be adjusted now or later. So let's save first. You'll see a warning message. That's because we haven't set up a shipping rate for Canada yet. We'll handle that later, since shipping rates are managed on a separate page. Now, let's continue setting up the market. Here, you can change the currency and assign a product catalog for that market. This ensures customers in that region see prices in their local currency and only the products meant for them. Next, go to the catalog page and set up a catalog for this new market. Here's the pricing setting. It might seem confusing because it asks you to select a currency again. But this one defines the base currency of the price. We'll use the store currency, and Shopify will automatically convert it to the local currency. If you prefer, you can choose the market's local currency and manually enter product prices. You can also apply a price adjustment, like increasing prices by 10%. In the product list, you can include or exclude items that are specific to this market. Once done, save and go back to the market page. Below, there are more settings you can configure, like market-specific theme customization, domains, and taxes and duties. We'll leave those unchanged for now. Now, let's address that warning message and set up the shipping rate for Canada. Since we already have an international shipping zone with a rate, we'll simply add Canada to it. Speaking of shipping, Shopify automatically optimizes fulfillment by shipping from the nearest fulfillment center. If you want to manage separate inventory for each market, go to Shipping and Delivery, open a shipping profile, and edit the fulfillment locations so that specific warehouses only serve specific countries. That way, if a product sells out in one region, it'll show as sold out there while still available elsewhere. Finally, let's open the theme editor and see how to add a country and currency selector. This is a built-in feature in most themes, even in the free Dawn theme we're using here. The selector is usually found in the header or footer section. You can simply turn it on, and it allows shoppers to switch between regions or view prices in their preferred currency. That's it! Thanks so much for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!